There, Coco. You got him? I don't know if there's something there. It's been there, hasn't it? Yeah? He's been there. We'll get him. We'll get him. Is that the one we just got up a little while ago? Oh! Oh! Way to go, Coco! Man, was she's sitting tight. Oh! That was cool! That was a hen, and she flapped up and hit my elbow. Wow. There's more in here, girls. I can see the tracks. Stay close. Hip, hip. Hip. Oh, another hen. Way to go. Way to go, girls. Way to go, lady. Does that account for most of the tracks now, you think, girls? Or are there more in here, you think?